For many years, the United Arab Emirates has been known for its vast natural resources lying deep beneath the desert sands. This wealth has fueled its remarkable growth, building cities that seem to rise from the very earth itself. But the nation's leaders have long looked toward the future, understanding that this reliance cannot last forever. They have embarked on a bold journey to diversify their energy sources and significantly lower their carbon emissions. This is a crucial part of the UAE's plan to achieve net zero by the year 2050, a promise to protect our shared planet for generations yet to come. It is a vision that requires immense innovation and commitment. To achieve this ambitious goal, the UAE first turned to the most abundant resource it has, the sun. Across the vast, sun-drenched landscapes of Abu Dhabi, enormous solar projects began to take shape. Power plants like Noor Abu Dhabi and the even larger Al Dhafra solar farm are marvels of modern engineering. These silent fields of glass and steel capture the sun's powerful rays, converting them into clean electricity for thousands of homes and businesses. They represent a significant step away from traditional fossil fuels and demonstrate the country's dedication to harnessing the power of nature in a sustainable way, contributing greatly to its renewable energy capacity. However, the sun does not shine at night, and clouds can dim its power. A modern nation requires a constant, uninterrupted supply of electricity, something known as baseload power. To solve this challenge, the UAE looked to a different kind of power, one that is both mighty and misunderstood: nuclear energy. This decision marked a new chapter in the nation's story. It was a strategic move to build an energy system that is not only clean, but also incredibly reliable, capable of powering its growing economy day and night, regardless of the weather, ensuring a stable foundation for its future progress. This journey led to the creation of the Barakah Nuclear Energy Plant. Located in the Al Dhafra region of Abu Dhabi, this facility stands as a testament to the UAE's forward-thinking vision. It is more than just a power plant. It is a symbol of a nation's transition towards a cleaner and more secure energy future. This single project has fundamentally reshaped the country's electricity supply, providing a powerful, carbon-free source of energy that works in harmony with the nation's growing solar power capabilities. It represents a balanced approach, using different technologies to build a resilient and sustainable power grid. The Barakah Nuclear Energy Plant is an immense achievement of engineering and international cooperation. The facility is home to 4 advanced APR 1,400 nuclear reactors, which, now all fully operational, work together as a single powerful unit. With a total capacity of 5,600 megawatts, Barakah has become the largest single source of clean electricity in the entire region. This is a staggering amount of power. It is enough to supply up to 1/4 of the UAE's total electricity needs, providing a steady and dependable flow of energy to millions of homes and industries across the country, day in and day out, without interruption. The most significant impact of the Barakah plant is its contribution to the fight against climate change. Each year, the plant's operations prevent the release of an incredible 22.4 million tons of carbon dioxide into our atmosphere. This is the same as removing millions of cars from the roads. Since its first unit began operating, the plant has already stopped over 58 million tons of carbon emissions from ever entering the air we breathe. This massive reduction in pollution is a cornerstone of the UAE's net zero by 2050 strategy, making it a true leader in climate action within the region and demonstrating a tangible commitment to a healthier planet. Beyond the impressive numbers, the Barakah project is also a story of human achievement and the development of local expertise. The construction and operation of such a complex facility required immense skill and dedication. The project has successfully cultivated a highly skilled Emirati-led workforce, with over 2,000 UAE nationals now playing vital roles in running the plant safely and efficiently. This focus on building local talent ensures that the knowledge and capabilities to manage this advanced technology will remain within the nation, securing its energy independence and fostering a new generation of scientific and engineering leaders. The plant's power is fed directly into the national grid, providing a constant and reliable baseload of electricity. This stability is crucial for a modern economy. Unlike solar or wind power, which can fluctuate depending on the weather, nuclear energy provides a predictable and continuous output around the clock. This reliability strengthens the entire energy system, making it more resilient and less dependent on fossil fuels. Barakah acts as the strong, silent backbone of the UAE's electricity supply, ensuring that the lights stay on and that the wheels of industry keep turning, powered by clean and sustainable energy. When we speak of Barakah's contribution to the environment, it is important to understand a key difference between clean and renewable energy. Nuclear power is widely considered a clean source of energy because the process of generating electricity through nuclear fission does not produce any greenhouse gases. There are no smokestacks releasing carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, or other pollutants into the atmosphere. In this respect, its environmental performance is similar to that of solar, wind, and hydropower. It provides vast amounts of electricity without contributing to the warming of our planet, which is its greatest strength in the global effort to combat climate change. However, nuclear energy is not technically classified as a renewable resource. Renewable energy sources, like the sun and the wind, are naturally replenished and are, for all practical purposes, inexhaustible. We will never run out of sunlight or wind. Nuclear power, on the other hand, relies on a specific fuel, uranium. Uranium is a heavy metal that must be mined from the earth. Like coal or natural gas, it is a finite resource. Although the current global reserves of uranium are substantial and can power reactors for many decades to come, the supply is not infinite. This is the fundamental reason it is categorized as non-renewable. This distinction is important, but does not diminish the vital role that nuclear power can play in decarbonization. While the UAE's vast solar farms add to its renewable energy capacity, the Barakah plant adds to its clean energy capacity. Both work towards the same ultimate goal: reducing carbon emissions. The UAE's strategy is a practical one, using a mix of different technologies to create a robust and low-carbon energy system. It embraces solar power for its renewable qualities and nuclear power for its reliable 24/7 clean output, showing that there can be more than one path to a sustainable future. The debate over nuclear energy often involves the question of waste. The process of nuclear fission creates radioactive waste materials that must be managed safely and securely for a very long time. This is a significant responsibility that requires careful planning and advanced technology. The UAE, in partnership with international bodies, has committed to the highest standards of safety and non-proliferation, managing its used fuel through long-term international agreements. By doing so, it addresses one of the main concerns associated with nuclear power, focusing instead on its immediate and powerful benefit, producing enormous amounts of carbon-free electricity. The success of the Barakah plant in the UAE raises an important question for the rest of the world. Could nuclear energy be a key solution for other countries aiming to reduce their carbon emissions? As nations around the globe grapple with the urgent need to transition away from fossil fuels, the debate over the role of nuclear power has become more relevant than ever. For decades, concerns about safety and waste have made some hesitant to embrace this technology. Yet, the pressing reality of climate change is causing many to take a second look at the unique benefits that nuclear energy can offer. The primary advantage of nuclear power is its ability to produce a massive, consistent supply of clean electricity on a relatively small land footprint compared to other energy sources. A single nuclear plant can generate as much power as thousands of wind turbines or millions of solar panels, and it can do so continuously, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This reliability, known as baseload power, is essential for stabilizing national grids and supporting industrialized economies. For countries with large populations, limited land, or less consistent sunshine and wind, nuclear power presents a compelling option to achieve deep decarbonization without compromising energy security. The UAE's experience at Barakah serves as a modern case study. The project was delivered with increasing efficiency, with each new reactor built faster and more cost-effectively than the last. It also demonstrates a strong commitment to international safety standards and nuclear non-proliferation. By choosing not to enrich its own uranium and instead relying on the international market for fuel, the UAE has created a model of transparency and cooperation. This approach could provide a reassuring blueprint for other nations considering developing their own peaceful nuclear energy programs, showing that it can be done responsibly and safely. Ultimately, the path to a green future will likely require a diverse mix of technologies. There is no single solution that will work for every country. The ongoing debate over nuclear power's role in this transition is a vital one. While renewables like solar and wind will undoubtedly form the backbone of our future energy systems, the consistent carbon-free power provided by nuclear plants like Barakah could be the crucial element that helps us achieve our climate goals. The UAE's bold step into nuclear energy may well be remembered as a pivotal moment, inspiring other nations to consider all available tools in our shared quest to protect our planet.